To charge your Redmi Buds 8 Lite, first of all, you will need to get a charger. The recommended one would be between 2.5 watts up to 5 watts. You can see it right here on the box. If you get a charger, you also need a cable that allows you to plug it into the charger brick and then to the headphone case, which is USB-C. So you can see it right here. All you have to do is connect it with your case, and then you can pay attention to the LED. When the LED lamp goes off while the charger is connected, that means they are fully charged, so we can unplug it. After that, you need to make sure that both of the earbuds are placed inside the case, and again, wait until they are charged. To track that progress, you will need to connect them with your phone. In your phone Bluetooth settings, you'll be able to find battery percentage for those earbuds. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.